Hello everyone, this is Tuhin Chaudhary and I welcome you all to my channel French avec Tuhin. Guys, today I'm going to talk about how to say where do you live in French. To say where do you live, you have two options. One is formal, another one is informal. To say the same question formally, you have to say it as Où habitez-vous? Où habitez-vous? Où habitez-vous? You can also ask the same question as Où vivez-vous? Où vivez-vous? So guys, these are the ways to ask where do you live formally. Now if I teach you how to ask the same question to your friend, it's Où habites-tu? Où habites-tu? Où habites-tu? Okay. Another way to ask the same question informally as Où vis-tu? Où vis-tu? Où vis-tu? This is the way that you can ask where do you live to someone in French. So guys, now I will teach you how to say the reply of this question. So for example, you are living in Paris, or you are living in Bombay, you are living in Delhi. So how would you say that? In English, we generally say it as I live in Delhi, or I live in Calcutta, I live in Paris, I live in Munich. So in French, you can say it as J'habite à Delhi, J'habite à Delhi, or J'habite à Paris, J'habite à Calcutta, J'habite à Bombay. So you just have to say J'habite and then you can add your place. So simple, is it, no? Now let's have revision time. To ask where do you live in French, you can ask it as Où habitez-vous? Or Où vivez-vous? And to ask the same question informally, you can ask it like Où habites-tu? Or Où vis-tu? And the reply of this question is J'habite, your place. So it could be any example. J'habite à Munich, j'habite à London, j'habite à Paris, j'habite à Delhi, j'habite à Calcutta, j'habite à Bombay, anything, depending on the place that you are living in. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked today's video. There is a homework for you. Please write down in the comment box that where do you live in French. And guys, I end up today's session here. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with as many people as possible, because I am going to provide full French course for beginners free of cost in this channel. And guys, please stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. Till then, au revoir.